Humanoid robots are already walking, carrying boxes. Sound like science fiction, but humanoid robots are already walking, carrying boxes, assisting workers, and learning new tasks with the help of artificial intelligence. The future isn't coming, it's already here. Humanoid robots are designed to look and move like humans, with 2 arms, 2 legs. Advanced cameras, sensors, and AI-powered software, they can navigate spaces built for people. This makes them far more flexible than traditional factory machines that perform only one specific task. Today, companies around the world are developing humanoid robots to work in factories, warehouses, hospitals, and even homes. These robots can lift heavy objects, sort packages, assist medical staff, inspect dangerous environments, and perform repetitive tasks with incredible precision. What makes them so powerful is artificial intelligence. Modern AI allows robots to recognize objects, understand simple voice commands, maintain balance, and adapt to changing situations. Every new breakthrough makes them smarter, faster, and more capable than ever before. As technology continues to improve, humanoid robots could help solve labor shortages, increase workplace safety, and take over dangerous jobs that put human lives at risk. What do you think? Would you trust a humanoid robot as your co-worker? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more amazing technology videos.